In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify your Shopify account. Verifying your account helps improve security, ensures smooth store management, and allows you to receive important updates from Shopify. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Click on the login button and sign in using your Shopify email address and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, make sure you're managing the correct store if you have multiple Shopify accounts connected to your email. Next, click on your profile icon or store name and select Manage Account. This section contains your account details and security settings. Now, look for your email address in the account information section. If your email has not been verified yet, Shopify will usually display a verification or update prompt next to it. Click on Verify Email or Update Email depending on what appears on your screen. Shopify may ask you to enter your password again for security purposes before continuing. After confirming your password, Shopify will send a verification email to your registered email address. Open your inbox, find the email from Shopify, and click the verification link included inside the message. Once you click the link, your Shopify account will be verified successfully. For additional security, it's also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication on your account to help protect your store from unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Shopify account. Thanks for watching.